Nevada Virtual Academy, welcome back. Problem number 18. Jordan is now 4 times older than Grace. In 30 years, he will be 18 years older than Grace. What is Jordan's age now? Okay, how can we solve this problem? Obviously, you have your options here, A, B, C, D, E, right? 10, 12, 20, 24, 48. One way to solve it is to basically plug in and work your way backwards. Okay, plug in each one of these numbers and see if they check out, and that may be the hardest way, and I bet is the hardest way to solve this type of problem. What should you do? Well, first of all, you need to establish, what variables are you going to use for each one of their ages, right? And I will say for Jordan, I'm going to use J, right? And for Grace, I will use G for their age, right? So talking about Jordan's age now, we said we will use J for that, okay? And let's start with the first statement. Jordan is now 4 times older than Grace. Jordan is now, okay? Instead of is now, I can use equal, right? So my J as a value, that variable, Jordan's age, will be 4 times older than Grace. 4 times G, right? 4 times Grace's age. And that's your first equation. J equals 4G. In 30 years, J, he, will be, which we can use the equal sign for it. Let's use a different color, right? 18 years older than Grace. And be careful here, right? In 30 years, J, how can we write that as an algebraic statement? Well, will be J's age now plus 30 more years, right? Will be equals 18 years older will be 18 years more than Grace. But be careful here, because Grace had also aged, okay? So it's not our Grace of today, will be our Grace 30 years older. So that means I will have G plus 30 years, okay? And also I will add 18 years to that, because J, Jordan, will be 18 years older than Grace in 30 years. And this is your second equation. Okay, well, the second one you can simplify, right? Because 30 plus 18 will be 48. So, first one, J equals 4 times G. And I know that J plus 30, or you know what? Let's make it simpler. Look at this equation, the second equation here. I got J plus 30, I got Grace plus 30. What number I can subtract from both sides to make it easier and to have just J in here? What number? Well, 30, right? If I'm taking away 30 from both sides, that 30 will go away. So basically my second equation now becomes Jordan's age, J, equals Grace's age plus 18. Okay? Well, this is easy now, because you have Jordan, you can use substitution, and you will have an equivalent equation to the system here that says that 4G equals G plus 18. Okay? Let's solve for G. You're going to move that G on the other side, basically taking G away from both sides, right? 4G minus G will be 3G, which should equal 18. Okay? Well, G is Grace's age. To find that, we'll divide by 3, okay, on both sides. And this tells you that Grace's age is 6. What is Jordan's age now? Well, I know Jordan is 4 times Grace's age, which means Jordan will be 4 times 6, right? Which tells me that Jordan's age now is 24. Do we have that answer? Yes, we do. That will be the right answer to this problem. You can check. Is 24 4 times 6? Yeah, it is. In 30 years, 24, 30 years, Jordan will be what? 24 plus 30, which is 54, and that should equal what? 18 years plus Grace's age, 6 plus 30, right? Well, is that 54? Well, 18 plus 6 is what? 24 plus 30, 54. We're good, right? It checks. We did it right. This is one way in which you can solve this problem. Make sense? I hope it does. All right. Thank you very much.